This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 6.1.5c on the 2025 CAIE syllabus to outline the use and storage of the carbohydrate glucose. So again, we have our diagram, but in this particular case, we're going to strictly be talking about respiration and how it relates to the use of glucose. And so here we have the glucose molecule, otherwise known chemically as C6H12O6, is going to combine with 6 oxygen molecules, and those 2 molecules in respiration are the reactants. And they're going to produce or yield 6 carbon dioxide molecules, which is a waste gas that's going to be released to the atmosphere, and 6 water molecules, which can be used by the organism or released as waste, just depending on the hydration levels of that organism. And we'll talk about how that happens when we talk about excretion. And also the molecule ATP, which is going to be the energy. So the whole point of respiration is to produce this energy molecule. And so the glucose, the chemical energy that's stored in the glucose, remember we talked about that in a previous video. So light energy in photosynthesis is converted into chemical energy stored in the glucose molecule. And through respiration, that energy is going to be released from the glucose molecule and created into this energy molecule, which is called ATP. You don't have to know what ATP stands for, just the letters are fine. And this ATP now can be used for a variety of different things in both plants and animals. So in a plant cell, for example, the root hair cells, where we're going to be moving mineral ions from the soil into the plant, we're going to be using a process called active transport. And we talked about this in the movement in and out of cells. In order for active transport to be effective, energy is required because you're pumping the mineral ions into the root hair cell. They're moving against the gradient. A second type of use for this energy that is made from glucose molecules are the building of protein molecules from amino acids. So in order to build protein molecules, you need energy, and that is going to result in growth of whichever organism it is that you're talking about, whether it's plant or animal. The building of protein molecules must occur in both. Those protein molecules are going to be made up of amino acids, which we've talked about in biological molecules, and that then will result in the growth of the organism.